I've got my first beauty subscription box for October to share with you, and it's Lookfantastic, and it's in a different design box this month. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Yeah, completely new design, look. Easy to open. For me, anyway, I always find it a bit of a faff trying to open it in the front here. So this is a spoiler video. You are not going to be able to get this box until October the 1st. If you subscribe before then your first box will be the September one. I collaborate with Lookfantastic, hence why I'm getting these boxes early. But yeah, inside we've got 6 beauty products. And this month has a value of around £60. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then you can get your first box for £12. It's normally £15 a month, but you can get it for £12 if you use my code Diaryofabeautygeek. You'll find all that listed down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including my Lookfantastic. I'm going to have to move this. It's going to do my head in. Including my Lookfantastic website code, which is DiaryLF, and that'll entitle you up to around 21% off beauty products. So there are some exclusions, but yeah, worth knowing if you love shopping on Lookfantastic. I'm loving this design, and I like the fact that we've got what looks like a lot of full-size products as well. Starting off then with Grow Gorgeous. This is a Defense Anti-Pollution Conditioner. Protected, radiant, healthy looking hair. And there's 250 mils there. So a big whopper. Tara tannins and organic sunflower sprout extract help protect against the harmful effects of urban pollution for shiny, healthy hair. Tara tannins. I've never heard of that before. Green tea extract to help hair feel revitalised and look brighter and healthier. Expertly formulated and proudly vegan friendly. No, we haven't got a shampoo in there. I do like a duo, but if there's only going to be one, which it is, I'd rather it be a conditioner than a shampoo on its own. I just want to sniff. Yeah, it smells really nice. Yeah, lovely. Haven't tried this one. Actually, what have I tried from Grow Gorgeous? I think it's literally just this serum. I think so anyway. So I've had a look on my phone, and the Grow Gorgeous is a lucky dip, and each item is worth over £14. So you'll either receive a shampoo, a conditioner, leave-in spray, treatments, or a scalp serum. No one knows what you'll receive, but you'll receive one of those and it's worth over £14. And then we've got a brush. Quite hard to see on camera. Let me take the wrapping off. This is worth £11, and this is a wet brush. It has heat resistant bristles that help protect the hair and speed up the drying time. Yeah, I got a couple of these little mini ones or little travel ones, but no, I don't have a big one like that, so that'd be nice as a blow drying brush. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Then we have got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Brow Wiz Crayon in medium brown. It's an ultra slim retractable pencil for precise detangling. What the heck? No, for precise detailing and creating hair-like strokes on your brows. And this is worth £14. And yeah, medium brown. Let's see what that is like. Hoping if you press light, you can get a lighter shade. If you press harder, you can go darker. We'll see. I haven't tried this yet. I haven't tried it ever. This must be a little mini one, I think. It's very small, but it's cute. I'll have a look now on the website. I don't want to push it up too much. Oh, it's not even working. Hold on. Maybe it takes a while to get going. I don't want to break the nib because it's quite small, isn't it? That is a lot paler than I thought. And I'm pressing quite hard. Hold on. I'm trying to think if I've got any hand creams on my hand. I can't remember putting some on. You can get some really, really nice, really thin, fine hair strokes. This is not dark at all. For a medium brown, I thought that would be darker, but for me personally, that is perfect. I don't like anything too dark. You can press quite hard. It's not a soft, smudgy pencil. That's how you get the crisp, fake brow look. But yeah, you do have to press quite hard though. It's got an eyebrow pencil there. Next, we've got This Works. This is a Perfect Body Smoothing Wash, a resurfacing wash for the face and body with exfoliating fruit acids and PHAs. There is 50 mils here, and this is worth around £5. I don't want to squeeze it so much that it goes up my nose. I can just smell it. Very botanical. Is that what it said on there? No, fruit acids and PHAs. So we've got a deluxe size body wash. We've got a sheet mask, and this is from Foreo. Coconut oil. This is worth £6, and it's for nourishing the skin. I have just seen a little sneak peek of the Lookfantastic beauty chest that is going to be released soon. The wait list has just opened up. There's a little device in there. I haven't really looked into the products yet, but from first glance it looked like it could be like a facial toning device. Or have you ever seen the Foreo mask devices, which are really nice? It's just what it reminded me of anyway. But yeah, the Lookfantastic beauty chests, they always do really, really well. So look out for those. I'll post them up everywhere as soon as it becomes available anyway. It's a rich formula, nourishes for softer, smoother skin. So there's those. I am going to be keeping any sheet masks that I receive, as you've probably heard me mention in some of my advent calendar beauty unboxings, because I'm going to Lithuania next month to have surgery, and I will not be putting makeup on every single day as much as I'd want to. So the plan is at least do a face mask if I can. So I'm just gathering up all the face masks ready. Oh, I'm just pulling it out before I even told you what it is. Spectrum Wonder Sponge in pink. And there it is. And the sponge is worth over £7. Love the colour, really nice and bright pink. So yeah, feels a little bit stiff, but then you add water to it, it expands, squeeze out all the water, and then you're ready to go then with buffing in your makeup. Vegan and cruelty-free, latex-free, and gives you a flawless finish. And there you go, those are all the items in the October Lookfantastic beauty box. We've got a Grow Gorgeous Defense Conditioner. A huge whopper of a conditioner. Then we've got a wet brush to help detangle and speed up blow drying. We've got Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Brow Wiz in medium brown. We've got a Foreo coconut oil sheet mask. Perfect Body Smoothing Wash by This Works, a body wash. And then lastly, a Spectrum Wonder Sponge in bright pink. So the cost of the box is £15, and the value comes to around £60 for October. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Me personally, I love the fact that we've got a few full-size items in there. The mask, the brush, the conditioner, maybe the brow, I don't know. It does seem to be quite small, but who knows, it might be full size. But yeah, let me know what you think. And if you're a subscriber, you're looking forward to receiving it, or if you're not a subscriber and you're thinking, do you know what, you're going to subscribe this month, or you don't like it. I'd love to hear regardless of what you think. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.